Kidney beans with rice and or quinoa make a fantastic meal combo. They team up to deliver three essential amino acids: lysine, tryptophan, and methionine. Here's the secret: beans are busting with lysine but low in tryptophan and methionine. Rice, on the other hand, is rich in tryptophan and methionine but low in lysine. So when you put them together, it's like a superhero duo of nutrition, offering you a complete protein punch. I've loved this combo since I was a kid, and now I appreciate it even more knowing the science behind it. Cook kidney beans with onion tomato gravy with cumin seeds, turmeric, green chili, black pepper, coriander powder, asafoetida, salt, and bay leaf. Also add cinnamon stick for flavor but remove it later, and garnish with dried fenugreek. Enjoy this either with rice only or cook rice with quinoa. That's how I've did. Here is your protein packed meal. Do you have any beloved food combos that makes you feel this way? Share in the comments below. Tips to make beans more digestible: always soak beans overnight before cooking. Always pressure cook to reduce anti-nutrients. Always use asafoetida as a digestive aid.